Hey y'all, Sean here. So I'm gonna take you into a delivery that I did. It's a water delivery, and picked it up at the warehouse and delivered it to the destination. So this is a reaction video. So I actually recorded it on the phone, and I said, hey, I'm gonna share with y'all, and drop the information on that. So it's like I said, it's my personal video I'm doing a reaction to, just taking you through the delivery process, and I'm gonna give y'all some gem, dropping some information on this one equipment that I have. So I'm gonna take you through the video. I remember I did a reaction to my own video. Somebody said, oh, he doing a reaction to his own video. Hey, better me than somebody else, right? So here, I'm actually doing the pickup at the warehouse. As you could see, I'm pretty much packing the water into the SUV. So I just bought this SUV. It's I bought it back in May. It's a 14-minute delivery, y'all. So it took me like 10 minutes to get to the warehouse, 14 minutes, and that's it in the back. So I just purchased this back in May. I purchased this SUV, brand new 2025 Chevy Equinox. So this is the dolly that I actually use. It's a collapsible dolly. No, I'm gonna give you two variations of how to use this dolly. If you don't have it, you need to get one of these if you're into the delivery business. I'm going a little bit slow, right? I'm just taking my time, y'all. So what I like about it is, this is, the flat dolly version. You could pretty much download. Now, the thing is, I have my moving blanket in the back of the truck. Get you some moving blankets, y'all. You gotta protect your vehicle. Anything, if you put stuff on the seat, you're gonna need it for that as well. So here's a different variation coming up of how you can use this dolly. As you could see now, it's a standing hand truck. And I just wanted to show y'all this, man. Just to get that information out there. The water fell, picked it up. So this is an apartment building or apartment community. You got to make it sound luxury nowadays. So here I am, bringing it back. I'm going to roll it across the street. All right, now y'all check out how I'm going to pretty much fold it. Lift up the lever, the clip, push it in, and put it in. There we go. Everybody got to get one of these, y'all. And then I actually went to do another medical courier pickup. All right, now that was the medical courier. That was a direct contract that I have with a lab. But shout out to everybody out there who are putting in work right now during this season. A lot of people don't understand when it comes to equipment, it's very important that you get the right equipment. You don't have to get every little thing, but the most important things you're going to need to get in your arsenal. All right, because this is what's really going to put you in a position, an advantage position as far as what you need. It's just like catering deliveries. Some people, they just have a small bag, but the thing is, when they go to pick up, and I'm talking about the hot and cold bag, the insulated bags, right? Some people I only see with a bag. I have a wagon. You gotta get a wagon, especially if you're gonna be going upstairs with a whole bunch of stuff. You don't wanna go in and out. So I went to deliver some pizzas, right? It was like, I think it was like 15 pizza or something like that, but it was a lot. And this was a catering delivery. And when I went to the pizza location, when I came through the door, came by the counter, my wagon, he couldn't see my wagon. But he said, hey, we got a lot of stuff. Do you have the right equipment? He said, like a wagon. So I was like, yeah, I got a wagon. So he said, man, you don't even understand. Some people coming here, with these small bags expecting to get one pizza sometime. And they just end up, doing a lot of work coming in, getting some of the pizzas, bringing it back into their car or vehicle or whatnot. And then by the time they get to the drop-off location, the pizza, they're not as, warm as they need to be. So for me, I have the wagon one, plus I have a medium-sized insulated bag, hot and cold bag, and also an extra large bag so I could keep everything warm in it if I get a big order. So you have to be prepared when it comes to these type of deliveries. Now, as far as the collapsible hand truck that I'm using in this video, I have the link down in the description below. I dropped it down there for y'all. Look in the description area and also at the top of the comment section. So y'all could get it if you want one of those. They're very handy, y'all. Easy to operate, easy to fold. You just got to figure it out. So you could watch my video, come back, and watch it and see how you pretty much, fold it. But of course they come with instruction and so forth. But make sure you get you one of those, man. Like I said, if you're in this delivery business, I don't care if you just do, regular food delivery, catering deliveries, package deliveries, or even medical courier deliveries, whatever it is. If you're in this field of logistics, look, you need to have one of those at all times. And remember, get your moving blankets. I dropped the link down below as well to both of those. All right, so hey, make sure you drop your comments down in the comment section. If you're here for the first time, hit the subscribe button. Hey, hit that like button. A lot of y'all been watching these videos and getting a lot of value and not even showing back some love. Show me some love. Hit that little thumbs up, that like button. Show me back some love. See you in the next video. All right, peace.